Ebusiafo ma munyina akwa ba Ghana Asem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe, then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusiafo yeko NSM no way. Ebusiafo asem mba beka we there. Menya asem pe. Ba menya asem nso amwa na mbebo ami. Former NDC executive B. Former NDC executives say they also on NDC won't be because some of the things they were doing, they say we are seeing the light. Or see, now no, not the Taifa. Not the Taifa. Now Taifa baby out no. I say it's the same area as era Julius Debrah. Now according to Sir NDC say branch executive and I say NDC phone say branch executive. I'm kind of say executive. It's a video no. It's a funny video. Bia NDC chairman bia was trying to pronounce executive. I say executive. I think executive something like that. I'll look for the video and put it for you to laugh small. Is it Tibonkosu for the NDC for? They are so proud in their ignorance. That is what I like about NDC. NDC for Bibre. They know say omunimu. But Papa said they will avail themselves to learn. They prefer their ignorance and they are proud in it. Now, or see, Taifa now mutieno. The only thing that they used to do is say anytime I'm here at Shibiano, then they go to Era Julius Debrah fee. And you see sometimes crowd to me coffee now. Julius Debrah will be so fed up, say, Namu at the akpeteshin kwanamu enyamwa. And as alcohol unkwa. Why would I believe a story like this? You remember saying NDC folk of Volta region, and they went to say, as for Voltarians there, Miami region, no. All we need is Agbelima and Cube. You know that. So it tells you say every area biano, NDC for they know what the people there need. They say conform with akpeteshi now we here, and they will give you akpeteshi. When they come to another place and they see say Agbelemani Cube, but they give Agbelemani Cube. But one thing that NDC will never ever give to any of their communities, and I say any of the locations that support them, air development. No. They don't believe in development. With NDC, they believe in keep them poor and show up for them in election year. NDC tactics. This has been the tactics they've been using in our Volta region. And now they are transmitting that same tactics to Ashanti region. Some Makachira must say that Ashanti region is becoming a stronghold of the NDC because 2024 election, Volta region was giving NDC bare 400,000 votes, 500,000 votes. Ashanti region was giving 600,000 votes. They say the Ashanti region is becoming a stronghold for NDC. Now, if Volta region has not seen any development, then you should know, say that is the fate that is awaiting Ashanti region. And their sure prophecy. So if Ashanti region wants to see development, then you must show up for MPP in 2028. Already, some interchange, they have reduced the tiers. And yes, sir. First, now 3. They say there be Ashanti region does not deserve 3. You should just give them 1B. That is NDC for you. The Esikano, when they are spending money on development, they feel the pain. NDC for no. They would rather spend the money on slave queens. Yeah. And any time, NDC, you see that some of the things that are very expensive here, pomade, skincare, routine, because slave queens, they are getting money to go and buy those skincare stuff. Right? You hear say people are doing lipo and all the rest. Miss Makasa lipo no bad who was scar, bet me a right? But you're buying scar. Because we their bicycle for life point and bet you car. You cannot take all of us our money to go and just make yourself beautiful. Right? Whenever NDC is in power, then people like Ansa Sadeli Mood will be getting appointment. And women who have spent time building their brain, they will be in the house. No appointment for them. They will say if you don't have hip size 52 and above, you cannot be considered. NDC no. Yeah. So I'm not surprised. Say, Taifa or say the only thing they were giving them is akpeteshi. Akpeteshi. And somebody will boldly say, I'm part of this political party. When they see you, they don't think about giving you scholarship to go and learn. Sure, MPP on. Even if they don't give you scholarship to go and learn, they will ask you to go to school. You will go by force. You now you see the people around. When they start doing that, my learner colleague, Esquire, way, PhD. You yourself, you will say, shall let me go to school because these people. By NDC, you go, Chemo. That is the only thing you hear there. Chemo. Executive, they cannot pronounce nothing. Tibonkoso United. Yeah. No one is challenging you. If you think I'm lying, Kobisa, if she was nigger, she said it. So when she was in NDC, all they were thinking about is oh dear, papa with mommy, mommy with mommy. The moment she joined MPP, he started asking, if she that better not go to school, if she when I going to school, if she and today she's doing law at Paris. That's what she said. She's reading law. Isn't it amazing? That is it. That's MPP for you, Busianfo. Busianfo, as you know, no, yeah, donations towards your studio, no, still lie, Guso, and Kitwa Bianswa, right? Thanks to all who have been donating so far. We are grateful for each and every peso that you spend on Ghana MTV GH. We don't take it for granted. And what I saw boy and so no, now best no never screen I say anything goes, anything. Kitwa Bianswa, right? And thank you so much for the thoughtfulness. And also, you don't alert me on WhatsApp, so I don't know most of the time whom to go and thank. He just writes Musendi Sky Yendamasi, because not everybody that can do that. I mean that would dig their money, their hands into your pocket and bless people. They just say strangers with their money. So please don't feel free to alert me anytime you actually donate so that we can give you the due recognition.
Na Ghana de yet one year de nsa ahye dem ye kyekyere o man sa etime nua me de me hu Rollins amamu pa Rollins kura no ye tema na ye wa hu kyere mu no na next form de 4x4 pickup even na nam kurase emma healthcare na baby wi ase adu na kofa abobo ya we say no na Ghana for nurse for ntenem empire na me boss say men kokum nurse ni bia wanya ntete ya ne maame edi na atos because say you were kum nipa be Ghana nurse ni bia ono no wako school a be mfie ba yi ane maame ani da no so no okotena wem no de kone nam suga ko pe ho ba bi ne kokotim ne koyi ne tokuru ba bi na say okunya problem o man na say ekwa na say ba enti o man no yan nwene eniema kese enu ase mi hu ade bi mi hu say voice wo so I thought be a MPP for no yentim mo ye niema hu da mu yes habo bi wo voter region MPP na o MPP AC na mi hu administration blog no na mi hu ye no asam ka say erade MPP Ghana MPP wani so adu hu papa he sa habo na o voter region no MPP ahase a wo ye no administration blog no Europe ya kra no kwa Uba Europe now ko have be say Antwerp harbor ne Holland harbor administration blog no kra no enu etu hu bibisa e kasa cho say amanyokro we umani suade hu efe enu kwa the first time you see etia people etimi yes ade we nyina na voice mu antima am ye hu a ya kata so a fa ya ko position no and a voter region MPP for Trapasa Muradi and MPP yo, but me who ye no. Me who says I too late, but me who ye no. A sashem in crime. Say Yankupo MPP among your crew. No Wuswama MPP among your crew by because MPP among your crew no. Omonsan no duma no money swadi huno. And if we are see a man in Asian musi akanya. Difference won't create a cramobi. A cramobi. It's MPP for no problem. Among MPP ye one in an say. Maybe MPP beko position biano. MPP for now contribute to almost about 60%. May be me Taiwe, me ma Dr. Baumia anim, Dr. Baumia free slim, me ya infantefo na chire di anim, ya chimfo na chire di anim. Eti MPP for na ankasa no. Edi kan ye campaign tia ya ho. Na ndisi for no.
Aso.
Wodi kokwasa na masie din no oma be fire because we aduma MPP and voter region habo no was start here crashes no na eche e bo ne ma ho dawro satem o fa o na bo kare Japan si say Dr. Baumia si say Brian Champon si say Dutum si say na podi ne de nam ha no amayoku no eche ye ma ya dwene eye one because MPP there voice boot MPP ani so ade ho offensive wo MPP bia no ma oni nye say wo MPP me the ama man pen MPP nyane say yes man pen this nyane say yes so no me hu say aye me di be 17 years 18 years ameba no me hwe ye krom NDC fo na omu ye krom nyina no o mabla bo nya me fe die tia no mabla bo nya me fe ne say enkofo kofo akodua kokoo no tete dam ase no mu ke kansam no mu yesei na we timi hu say sa manyoku onya manyoku a eche me fo mani suade hu bi ko mani suade hu no enye fe MPP for na hihye koto akeka mu ntale ahyem 1990 ho no na mpaboa bi o so fe na akam last we shi NDC for enu bi na hihye o ti me di NDC die efisi e wo me no o mani suade hu ne o moni e ma no enye me fe ye kro wo ko afuo mu abeba no yes ye friend kofo bi militia no ma be bie wa punch yes o ma be chia punch no o mu de ne ko ne ma me mo ko ho mo fo ya punch ma ye me ko na punch ne da buom o si ma o de fe bi ma ye duru ba bomba ye aduru bi yes ye friend dampo wo de wo ko kumasi a wo be duru mu titewuram o mo so apeta hyen no fa o ho nkata bra
Edwin Enyuma of CDR.
CDR for eti no mimi so a mi nyini ba nyina no mani amaji NDC uti o man pay kufo lusu ye no na me pade bi afri NDC fo e wa kra na me ye me hase se o me kom mu se me ye NDC ni jafede no ma bagima tumi no mu committee no mu yati ye committee a wo hwe nkofo na ni suade hu no mu komudi a ye die ni nyina ye problem o ye problem ntin minua amwa the ma NDC ni MPP difference wo no say na mete taifa ne duru anopa be 8:5:30 6 o'clock kwa na MPP fo ni nyina ebi kokwa me kuma cycle ebi kokka ntamanto ebi kokka nashi na NDC fo mu nam no me ye Julius Debrah obebre papa NDC fo taifa ti obi kope apetese one tot akodidi kwa so kopo no eti bibe wo so ye am say ye Julius ho ye Julius mo kwa papa ade asen pe one tot bi ma ye pe bibi se man hwe nkofo MC eni ye Julius Debrah de mu kunu because wo kodidi kra na one tot no so ba ye Julius Debrah say no many NDC for fire on code minya kwa ko ni fie a taifa because papa na to bi kra kwa am so oni was no because ATM people ni NDC die senior omani suade hu no eni suade hu bi abese wo de eboa wo man a eche wu so nyina na enyini wo mu wu so nyina na enyi wati wu nyini ya de position bi ma wa wo dre ne ma akese ye mo wa se ene ye se drone ye ma drone nya adwuma bi na moto ena so obi yale a ye mfa moja mfa enu moto mfa enkoman nti o man no
myself abro chimpa emwa ko inform to bisi emwa
Davi
behwe animal control yeah the ka e dem tum ewa now the nipa air control ade we no na tv for me say kalije at Twitter can say oh mu de munni areas I had this any cars back up Charlie this I don't want just me economy to get them because me tiasie me dwi ho a me
Na
tiasie
tie.
me dwi ho a me tiasie
Achem nyabota se I abadinti na ibinum use V8 na bi use Highlanders na abadintia.
Because say more Ireland or not better way on
safety and
your
then bad road.
For
better
the
stability.
you see Africa,
For safety,
young
no,
president, it is for
I think for
safety.
safety
Because
and
roasting yet
bad
into
road,
use such
Roasting, yeah.
bad road.
such durable vehicles now. You can't access such bad roads. Into aban pa edwene pa. Abanya edwene. Roads on yen. Abobo yan what they covered. Now, have you thought of the lifespan of even the Abobo ya cover such road? Yeah, and is pa de I did
Agamagos,
my
Agamagos, Ache, and our boot. There's a problem here. When Okuja to Ablakwa constituency, week last and Friday. Week Africa na eba media no mankrofo ako capture a video na almost circulating. Me share what Metro TV for a program be. Unim say one of the villages mepe inside honum. That's mepe togome like village bi. Na opinfo bi ebre a opese owo and I say nimra so na wode never be hospital. Nkrofo we de na ba ekwan a wode ne fa so kra podi na ba no ekwan ne nye ka bia po ni ho. Two sa